How does the derivative of inverse sine x, or arc sine x, equal 1 on the square root of 1 take x squared? We're going to help you understand where this comes from. First, let's let y equals inverse sine of x. Take the sine of both sides. Sine of inverse sine of x simplifies to x. Just switch this so x equals sine y. Take the derivative of x with respect to y, giving cos y. Then dy dx is 1 on cos y. Yes, you can do this. Now, the question is, what's cos y? Going back to sine y equals x, or x on 1, and picture a right-angled triangle with y as the angle. You know that sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. That means opposite is x and hypotenuse is 1. Then, using Pythag, the missing side is the square root of 1 take x squared. So then cos y, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, is root 1 take x squared. So 1 over cos y is 1 over root of 1 take x squared, which is how the derivative of inverse sine x is 1 over root 1 take x squared. Fun times. If you enjoyed that, please give us a like and subscribe for more explanations, secret strategies, and fun maths like this.